Now that you are familiar with multiple JavaScript data types like string, number, and boolean, it's time to talk about typecasting. Typecasting, also known as type conversion, is the process of converting a value from one type to another, such as a number to a string. In this lesson, we will learn how to perform explicit type conversion from numbers and booleans to strings. To start off, let's convert a number to a string using the toString method. Let number is 100, console log number type is type of number, and we get type of number. And to convert number to a string number equals number to string. Now, when we check the type of string number type is type of string number, we get a string representation of a number and type of string. We can achieve the same result using the string constructor. So string number is string number, and we get a string representation of a number again. The string constructor can also return a string from an expression. For example, string number is string 100 plus 23. So first expression 100 plus 23 is evaluated, and then 123 is turned to a string. We are already familiar with another way of turning values to strings, template literals. For example, console log 10 times 5 is 10 multiplied by 5. And here 50 is turned to a string and embedded in a sentence. So as you can see, template literals are a convenient way to embed expressions within strings. We can also convert a boolean to a string like so. String boolean equals string false, and console log string boolean type is type of string boolean returns string false using the string constructor, or true to string returns true using toString method. To sum up, string conversion methods include value to string, method available on most types, string value, this is a general conversion to string for any type, and template literals for embedding expressions directly within strings.